Introducing the Langston. This rendering is a part of our Smart Living collection and begins in the heart of the home, the kitchen. Perfect for cooking at home or entertaining, this kitchen is accompanied with a large island and gourmet appliances. For our chefs out there, don't worry about missing a beat in the conversation or the big screen replay. The open concept layout allows for easy flow into the living room. Across the kitchen, you will find a laundry room and an owner's suite. This space is conveniently connected to the private bathroom with dual sinks and a large shower. Diagonally across the hall is the dining room. Use it for how you live. Let's head upstairs. Upstairs you'll find the loft. Created to be customized, this multi-purpose space can be used as an office, game room, guest suite, or all the above. Another bathroom connects adjacently to the loft. This full bathroom is shared with a second bedroom. Thanks for viewing the Langston. Designed with you in mind, the Langston is what you've been searching for. For more information, visit HHHuntHomes.com, because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.